If you have old cars, eventually you're going to have to make repairs. I have a leather interior, but this piece right here, not leather. It's like this plasticky kind of stuff. My first solution was a bamboo sock cover. And this works pretty good, but a lot of people thought this was kind of tacky. One of the comments below said, why don't you get some leather covers for your armrest? So I invested in some, and I'll show you how to put these on because they come with no instructions. This is the same approach for a lot of different cars, even if you don't have one exactly like mine. I got the covers on eBay, around $18. I'll post a link down below. Shop around on eBay, look for the best ratings, best price, and then you're just a couple weeks away from getting this problem solved. You only need 2 tools and a pair of scissors for this DIY project. Take this plastic cap off. This is a plastic scraper you can get in any big box store or hardware store. Then you're going to use a 12mm socket. Take off this bolt. There's a mechanism that you have to tie into. Originally the hole wasn't this big, so let's jump to that video and I'll show you what I did. I'd rather cut in small and then expand it than go the other way around. People will say, this isn't leather, this is pleather, and this is also pleather. That is not leather. And just kind of marked an area, and then I'm just going to cut it out with a pair of scissors and try to not have any ragged edges. I've made the hole bigger, and it's just a matter of sliding it back on and doing a fit check in the car. I didn't make it this big, not sure that I need to, but we'll find out. You just slide it in, push on it, line it up. You could cut a hole here and put this cap back in, but I don't think it's necessary. In order for this to fit, you really need to kind of play with it a little bit and get it in place. I put the bolt in to help guide it. I'm hand tightening that bolt and trying to line up those teeth. And once you get the teeth in, they'll lock in. You'll feel it. Tighten it up. Check to see how this is flowing. That's doing well. You turn this flap, feed it across so that you can zip it. Be patient with the zipper, you don't want to break it. You could try a pair of pliers, but be real careful because the zipper is pretty lightweight. You might have to push on this a little bit to get the zipper in place. And once you do, turn this flap over. And that's the complete installation. And you got an armrest that looks like it was installed the day you bought the car. By the way, I just noticed when I put the second armrest on, the zipper went like this. On the passenger side zipper, the zipper went down. On this side, the zipper went up. It's symmetrical. Both of these are the same. It's just swapping them out either side. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of car repairs, home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what fix you're gonna see.